How to download and install Excel for free. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to download and install Excel for free. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you can do is to just search in here on the Microsoft Store for Microsoft 365. So let's search for it. So in here it will appear the Microsoft 365, which is it can be personal, family, or office. So in here I have office installed. As you can see, I've already got it. So what you can do is you can just install it and open it on your computer. So the next method is to head over to your Google and then search for Microsoft 365. And then this thing right here, click on this link and then log into your account. Now for me, I've already logged in, so I can just see this thing right here. So what I can do is you can just click on this install apps right here, and from in there you can just log into your product key, and then after that you can just install Excel from there. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download and install Excel for free. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.